Hi, this is Ross, and this is DIY on the house. Today I'm going to show you how to replace a wheel on a push lawnmower. Super fast, easy project. The tire or the wheel itself on this one for this size was 20 bucks from our local tractor hardware supply. So we'll go ahead and just do it real quick, and I'll show you the tool you need. Should only be this. This is a dog bone wrench. It's one of those, I've had 3 of these. These are wrenches that everyone should have. You don't have to go looking around for sockets and or open-end wrenches. One wrench does it all. All right, so the reason on this wheel, it's actually old, broken. So we're going to pop off the cap that retains it. That'll expose the nut that retains the wheel. And we just take our dog bone, look for the right end on it. Just going to pick up on the lawnmower a little bit. Pop that one off. So I'm just going to scoop the lawnmower back up. And it fits nice, actually. It came with an extra washer. So I'm going to take the nut. And the nut on this one just happens to feel like a locking type nut. Okay, there we go. So the decorative cap obviously doesn't fit because that was for the old wheel. That was a super fast, easy project that anyone could do with the right tools. Like I said, pick up one of these if you don't have one. It's a dog bone wrench. So I hope that helps you out. If your wheel is broken on your lawnmower, just take a measurement on it. The shaft is typically always about a standard type of shaft, so it's super simple project, probably number 2 out of 10 on hardness. So hope you enjoy the video, give us a thumbs up, and subscribe if you like, and we sure appreciate you watching.